We see people back with a bang. It's the money management. It's Sunday. Let's talk money. Let's talk time. You say you have no time. 24 hours in a day. 8 hours sleeping, 8 hours at work. 2 hour commute to work. 1 hour at the gym. 1 hour to meal prep, cook, eat. Half an hour to shower, clean up. 3.5 hours left in the day. Those 3.5 hours left will determine how far you'll make it. Some days you'll have more time, some days less. Grind now, relax later. So obviously today I'm talking about time. Why? Because time is money. A lot of you say you do not have time. I'm talking about 24 hours in a day. You know how much time that is? That's a lot. That's a lot of minutes. That's a lot of seconds. 24 hours. Let's say you just use 8 hours to sleep. Just 8, A lot of you guys would be able to do 5, 6, whatever helps you function. 8 hours of sleeping and 8 hours of work, let's say. You still have an hour to go to the gym if you need. And a lot of people are not even that active. An hour to cook, meal prep, eat. A lot of people do not even cook, do not even meal prep. They just make something easy. They go and buy something. It gives you time. 30 minutes still to shower and clean up. That's about, that's realistic. You still have 3.5 hours left in the day. And a lot of you, I know you go, you probably work further than 2 hours away from home. That's fine. You still have, cut down some gym time, or maybe you sleep less. A lot of you don't even have 20 minutes to go to work. Some of you work from home. You save yourself 2 hours. Those hours that you have free in the day, what you do during those hours is going to determine how far you will get, how much money you're going to get, how much wealth you're going to build, how long your money will be, the gap between your income and your expenses. Those 3.5 hours, 4 hours, whatever it is, depending on the day, sometimes you might have more than that. Sometimes you might even have less than that. But those hours you spend are key to your success. Those are key hours. Those hours you can use to sit down on the couch, eat Cheetos, watch Netflix, eat ice cream. Yeah, follow series, sure. Watch the news, listen to negativity, sure. But you know what else you can do with those hours? You can work on your side hustle. You can, improve your business. You can create something. You don't need money for creativity. In fact, creativity creates money. But those 3.5 hours, those right there, those are the key to where you're going to get to in life. If you use them to develop yourself, to learn, to read, to invest in yourself, you're going to go far. If you use them every single day to do nothing, you're going to see how fast those hours go by and how much time you're losing. And again, time is money. You're losing time, you're losing money. Those hours that you have free in the day, use them wisely. And you know why I said use them wisely? Because you probably feel like you don't have enough time in the day. When there are 24 whole hours in the day. If you need to sleep 6 hours a day just to focus 2 hours on business, do it. Again, I'm not saying neglect your health, but do the right thing which is going to benefit you long term. If you need to sacrifice, 25 minutes, let's say, in the gym, sure, do it. If you can add those 25 minutes to something beneficial for yourself. And then again, a lot of people are not even that active. A lot of people go to the gym 2, 3 times a week. Not talk about 7 days. Saturdays and Sundays, you don't work. Either go to the gym or work on your business, work on yourself, invest in yourself. But all this talk about not enough hours in a day, not enough time, I'm not buying it. I just broke it down to you. Obviously, I don't have a job, so those 8 hours of work I can use into something else. Probably 8 hours on my business. Who knows? Those 8 hours of sleep, I don't get those 8 hours of sleep. 6 hours, maybe 7 hours. An extra hour again to add to what I need to do, which is going to determine how far I get. The 2 hour commute to work, 1 hour to go and 1 hour to come back. I don't have that. Same for those of you who work at home. Do something with it. I have a watch brand, as you guys know. Time Gear watches, check the link out in the description. I can work on that in those hours that I'm supposed to be driving to work. But I've just broken it down to you, and you guys can break down your day any way you like, in any format. It's up to you, but you do have enough time. I don't want to hear, I haven't got any time. Not enough hours in a day, not enough time. Time management is money management. Money management is life management. Focus and get your goals. Monday Motivation tomorrow. Be back here for that. Check out other videos on this channel, guys. But I've got money to be making. See you guys tomorrow for Monday Motivation. Peace.